How to apply coupons on Temu app. Hello everybody. If you guys would like to apply a coupon on Temu app, you may follow the steps. So first of all, head over and open the application Temu, and there are two ways you can apply the code. One of them is once you are here, you can tap on the U tab in the bottom right corner, and from here look out for the option called coupons and offers right beside credit balance. Tap on it, and there you will be finding a section called enter coupon code. Tap on it, and here you can just go ahead and type in the coupon code and tap on apply, and that is it. Apart from that, you can also apply coupon code while you are checking out. So you can basically add up the product to your cart. For example, I would like to add this product. You can select the quantity and everything and tap on add to cart, and once it is added, go to your cart, and from your cart you will be finding all of your products. Go ahead and tap on checkout, and once you tap on checkout, you should be finding option like this, so you can look out for the section called apply coupon code, and once you tap on it, just go ahead and type in the code and apply it up and paste the code here, and that is it. Once it is added, the coupon will be added. The discount associated with the coupon should also be applied to your order total, and you can verify it before proceeding to payment, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to apply coupons on Temu app, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.